How to install Ansible in Fedora Linux 37. How to install and maintain up-to-date the latest version of Ansible inside Fedora 37 using the system repository with a practical demo. I'm Luca Berton and welcome to today's episode of Ansible Pilot. So, today we are talking about how to install Ansible in Fedora Linux 37. The good news is that Ansible is included in the default repository, so you can simply install it with your usual package manager, yum and DNF. DNF is the latest version. You can expect the latest version of Ansible in the updated repository. At the moment is available the latest 2.14 for Ansible-core and 6.4 for Ansible, the community package with all the extra collection on it. This is great because Fedora was delayed because the OpenSSL bug fix, so was able to get the latest ansible-core 2.14, and this is a great news. So now let's jump in a quick live demo about how to install the latest version of Ansible in Fedora. Are you ready? Let's move on. Welcome to my laboratory. I just installed the latest version of Fedora 37 workstation in a virtual machine using, VMware Hypervisor. You can use whatever software you want, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, whatever fits your need, or a real bare metal machine. So I just need to power on my system and wait for the login page. Fedora is available in a lot of different flavors, so in your case could be a server version in a cloud environment, or could be another kind of virtual machine or environment. So this is my login screen. I was creating a Luca user but with a password, and after the correct login I'm able to see the desktop in my Fedora workstation 37. Please note that if you choose the server edition, you get only the CLI. By the way, I absolutely love this new background. So just a quick check just to show you that this is Fedora 37 Workstation Edition. Great! So how to install Ansible? Well, it's a command line tool, so the best way is to go to Activities and select the All application and jump in a terminal. You can have also some quick launches, and if you are using the terminal, makes sense that you put in your quick access area. So let me also magnify a little bit the prompt so we can easily see. You can obtain this prompt also connecting via SSH with the server edition. So first of all, let me become a root user, so the user with full potential to interact with the system with sudo su and entering my password. We can verify that it's Fedora 37 printing the content of etc redet-release using the hostname control command. As you can see, the operating system is Fedora Linux 37. A common way between all the Linux system is to use the etc os-release to have a common ground of command. Well, okay, now let's jump to the package manager. DNF is the package manager where you can get all the update of a system. I have a lot of things to update, as you can see, because this system came out of a box. Okay, now let's try to use the ansible command. You can see that command not found is what we obtain, and actually Fedora is trying to help us and provide a solution with ansible-core package. Well, let's take a closer look about the alternatives. So there is a DNF list available Ansible that is going to show us, after a quick update on the repository, that we have the Ansible community package, the one most comprehensive, with also the additional collection version 7.0 available in the updates repository. Well, that's great. Out of the box, Fedora 37 came with Ansible 6.4. And great things also Ansible-core that is in the latest release of 2.14. I'm so happy that I was able to insert this package inside Fedora. Just a quick check with underneath rpm-qa reveal that we don't have any Ansible package installed. So if we type the ansible -- version for checking the version of Ansible, we obtain command not found. Okay, now we really would like to install Ansible, so DNF install Ansible. I choose the full-fledged package because I want also the additional collection and I don't care about some additional space. So in my case, it downloads only 4 packages. This is the Ansible and the dependency. Please note that Ansible-core is a direct dependency of the Ansible package. And as you can see, the downloaded size is 38 megabytes, but the storage needed is 334 megabytes. It's going to take a while. The actual timing depends by the performance of your network and also your machine. But the important thing is the package manager is taking care of downloading, verify the download was successful, and install it on disk. The package Ansible is take a while because it's a big package actually. It's composed by a lot of small files that takes sometimes to be written on disk. Disk, storage, solid space, whatever you use nowadays. Okay, but the important thing is that we don't need to care about all these complicated things. Under the hood, DNF, the package manager, is taking care of downloading the latest version, and also we can maintain up to date with a simple DNF update for the future. So great! Everything seems installed and completed. Let's double check with ansible -- version. So Ansible is the command line to execute Ansible ad hoc commands and is a starting point. As you can see, it is confirming that Ansible 2.14 version of the core is successfully installed, with other interesting details like Python 3.11 and other things. Checking with RPM of the installed packages now show that we have Ansible-core and Ansible package successfully installed. It's the same information we can obtain with DNF list installed Ansible and Ansible-core. As you can see, we have Core 2.14 and Ansible 7.0. Great! So now our automation journey could begin. I'm so happy that now everything is sorted out. So let's double check that Ansible command from the command line utility is available. So this using the -- version is just only the starting point to verify that everything is ready to go. And as you can see, there are more small details about the configuration, and this is the starting point of your automation journey. And I'm so happy that now Fedora Linux 37 is successfully installed and configured for Ansible. Now you are ready for the first step in your automation journey. Yay! Now you know how to install the latest version of Ansible in Fedora Linux using the system repository and the DNF package manager. Thank you for watching. I hope this lesson was useful for you. See us on the next adventure of Ansible pilot and have a great day! Yay!